it's me, Kitty Queen, and today I'm going to be showing you what is going to be my gift bags for my birthday party tomorrow. And remember, I am new to YouTube, so I would really appreciate if you guys could like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So let's get started. So first, here are the bags. They come in different colors, like yellow, and blue, green, pink, purple, orange, and then a teal. So those are the colors for the gift bags. Let me just clean these up. And then there's a lot more, so. Okay. And then we have these cute little notepads. They're like really cute. And that's our first pattern. And here's the second one. And the third. The fourth. The fifth. And the sixth. Comment down which one is your favorite. And then next, we have some Slinkies. They come in a lot of different shapes and sizes. And colors too. And there's even little hearts. My favorite. And there's one with faces. So yeah, I think those are really cute. And then comes with these rainbow pens. You know how these work. Well, comment down if you ever used one of these before, because I know I definitely have. And then we have this little pencil, and it has like all the different colors. When you sharpen it, it'll just like come out as like a rainbow technically. So we got that. And then we also got these little like fidget snakes in rainbow. Super fun to fidget around with. I love these things. Not when they hit me in the face, but yeah. So we got that. And then my personal favorite are these rainbow erasers. They come in, there's pink, purple, orange, yellow, green, and blue on these. I already tested one out, and it actually works pretty well. So, yeah. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below 3 pink heart emojis. And as always, remember to be beautiful.